Number 7. This is the last one. And if you're someone who has traveled before, you've probably experienced this, where you go on this amazing trip or you have this life-changing experience in another country or a different state, and then you come back home and you feel like such a different person. You're like, oh my gosh, my perspective is different and my life goals are different and then this is different, or and then you get back home and it feels like nothing changed. Like maybe you were gone for months and you come back and it feels like you're going right back to the same situation that you left from. It's a very surreal experience, kind of part of that reverse culture shock. And a big struggle I've heard from so many travelers is when they go back home, no one at home really understands what that's like. You go back home and no one knows how to ask those questions that really resonate with your experiences. Or no one back home understands what it's like to have that reverse culture shock where you go back and and it just seems the same. But when you travel as a couple, you go back home and it doesn't matter if no one else understands you or if it feels exactly the same as when you left, because you have someone else who went through all those experiences with you and understands you, and so you don't have to feel left out or misunderstood by your friends and family.
You don't get that post-travel jadedness where you're like, oh, no one understands me. Yeah. I'm just going to be a perpetual wanderer. Like that.
Staying up until 3 a.m., texting your friends in other countries.
Please talk to me. I'm so lonely. Yeah. When you travel as a couple, that's not a problem.
Yeah, reverse culture shock coming back home is,
It's so mind-boggling.
It's still mind-boggling. Yeah, as you can see from this video here, still a mind-boggling mess, but it's not nearly as bad when there's two of you, because you can be there for each other, guys. And you will love each other more, hopefully. Or maybe you'll find out that you guys are terrible together, and in which case it's better to find that out now than later.
Yeah, it's better to, if traveling expedites that, well, at least you learn that,
exactly.
Before
you
die?
If you want to know if you guys make a good team and should be a couple, go traveling. Yeah, travel.
That'll make or break you.
It'll make or break you.